Porbandar, the land where Gandhiji was born, the place where seeds of peace were sown. The waves of its shore whisper his name, echoing his truth and eternal fame. Good morning everyone, I am Jagrit Channa, an 11-year-old explorer of dreams, hailing from the historical city of Porbandar, Gujarat. Today I have the privilege of speaking about one of the greatest leaders in the history of mankind, Mahatma Gandhi. What makes this moment even more special for me is that I come from Porbandar, the place where this extraordinary journey of truth, non-violence and justice began. Porbandar is not just a city to me. It's a symbol of inspiration and legacy. Here, the roots of Gandhiji's ideals took shape, and being from the same land fills me with immense pride and sense of responsibility. I often feel that waves of Porbandar shore not just only sing songs of the ocean, but also they carry the whispers of Gandhiji's philosophy. पोरबंदर की हवाओं में बहता है एक सुकून, पोरबंदर की हवाओं में बहता है एक सुकून, गांधी जी की यादों से रोशन दिल में बसा जुनून, गांधी जी की यादों से रोशन दिल में बसा जुनून, कोना कोना जर्रा जर्रा इतिहास की बात सुनाता, कोना कोना जर्रा जर्रा इतिहास की बात सुनाता, ये शहर जीवंत कहानी नई उमंग फैलाता, नई उमंग फैलाता. Mahatma Gandhi, lovingly called Bapu, was a leader who redefined the meaning of strength. For him, strength was not about physical power or wealth. It was about standing firm on the principles of truth and love. He believed that no matter how small an act might seem, if it is done with right intention, it can create ripples of changes. One of the greatest lessons we learn from Gandhiji is the power of truth and non-violence. He taught us that truth is the most powerful weapon anyone can wield. His principles of ahimsa or non-violence were not just a strategy, they were a way of life. Even when faced with immense challenges, he never wavered from these ideals. सत्य का दीप जलाकर अंधेरों को हराया, सत्य का दीप जलाकर अंधेरों को हराया, अहिंसा की ज्वाला से हर दिल को जगाया, अहिंसा की ज्वाला से हर दिल को जगाया, नफरत के बीच प्रेम का तूफान उठाया, नफरत के बीच प्रेम का तूफान उठाया, गांधी जी के संघर्षों ने इतिहास रच दिखाया, इतिहास रच दिखाया. Gandhi ji also stood for unity and equality. He believed in breaking down all the barriers of caste, religion and language. And for him, every individual was equal. He dreamed of a society where everyone would live with dignity and respect. In today's world, where divisions are often threatened to pull us apart, Gandhiji's message of unity is more relevant than ever. Another significant lesson we learn from Gandhiji's life is self-reliance. Through the Swadeshi movement, he taught us the importance of being independent and valuing our resources. The spinning wheel or charkha became a symbol of self-sufficiency and unity. It was not just a tool, but a reminder that even simplest actions can have profound meanings. चरखा घुमाकर गांधी ने दिया जो संदेश, चरखा घुमाकर गांधी ने दिया जो संदेश, सादगी और स्वदेशी का बड़ा दिया वेश, सादगी और स्वदेशी का बड़ा दिया वेश. हाथों की ताकत से रच दी नई कहानी, हाथों की ताकत से रच दी नई कहानी, आजादी के रण में गूंज उठी जुबानी, गूंज उठी जुबानी. अहिंसा का शस्त्र बना चरखा महान, अहिंसा का शस्त्र बना चरखा महान, इससे ही जगा था भारत का अभिमान, भारत का अभिमान. Perhaps the most inspiring aspect of Gandhiji's life is his simplicity and humility. Despite being a leader of millions, he lived a life of simplicity, showing us that greatness is not about possession, but about character. For me, as someone from Porbandar, this legacy is not just history. It reminds me every day to walk on the path of truth, to stand for justice, and to work for a society that is united, peaceful, and self-reliant. Gandhiji's teachings are not confined to the past. They are timeless and hold immense relevance even today. Whether it is call for global peace, need for environmental sustainability, or fight against inequality, his principles guide us like a beacon of his light. Let us take inspiration from his life and strive to be better individuals. Let us make our actions reflect the values he stood for. And let us work together to create a world where truth, love and peace reign supreme. चल पड़े हम बापू की दी राहों पर, चल पड़े हम बापू की दी राहों पर, सत्य और अहिंसा का संदेश फैलाएं, सत्य और अहिंसा का संदेश फैलाएं। हर कदम पर याद है बापू के उपदेश, हर कदम पर याद है बापू के उपदेश। चलो मिलके बापू के सपनों की दुनिया बसाएं, सपनों की दुनिया बसाएं, सपनों की दुनिया बसाएं। थैंक यू।